This is CPM Precalculus Chapter 2, number 172. So here we're not asked yet, we're just asked to evaluate g of different values. But we're given g of x is a piecewise function. It's defined piecewise, 3 pieces here, 3 sections, right? And evaluate part A is g of 3. So remember when we're asked to evaluate g of 3, here instead of x, we're plugging in 3, right? But which equation do we use? We look over here to the right and ask ourselves, is 3 less than negative 2? Right? So here's our number line. Here's negative 2 and 1, right? Negative 2, 1. And where is g? Right? I mean, where's 3? 3 is over here to the right. Okay, so since 3 is over here, that means x3 is greater than or equal to 1, so we use this equation. Okay, using that equation means to plug in 3 into that x. So it's 11 minus 3 squared, which is 11 minus 9, which is 2. Okay, so that's how you evaluate g of 3. You get 2. G of negative 1, again, you're plugging in negative 1 as the input. Which equation do you use? You have to look at these intervals here. Is negative 1, looking at the different transfer places, negative 1 is over here between negative 2 and 1. So negative 1 is between negative 2 and 1. So that means we use this equation. Okay, so that means it's 2x, where x is, again, negative 1. So it's 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. All right? Part C is g of negative 2. So is negative 2 less than negative 2? No, but it's less than or equal, right? So that means we're going to use this section for g of x, this piece, again. So that's 2 times the input is negative 2, which is negative 4. And finally, we have g of 4, right? So we plug in 4 into our function g of x. Which piece do we use? We look over here. We know 4 is over here greater than or equal to 1. So we use this piece, which is just 11 minus x squared, but x is 4, so it's 11 minus 4 squared, which is 11 minus 16, or negative 5. All right? So there we go. We've evaluated all 4 inputs to G, getting 4 outputs. All right, and that ends for us CPM Precalculus Chapter 2, number 172.